Everybody, today I'm going to show everybody how to change your cabin air filter. Take everything out of your glove compartment, open it, and you can press with both hands, press in, and you'll see a tab coming out. And do the same over here. And see the tabs here? That's what you're going to be pushing in so the tab misses that. Okay, and then down here there is a string attached to a little connector that goes right in here. You want to get down there? It's right here. And push up a little and pull down until it comes out the big side. Just takes a little doing. There you go, it came out. And let me grab this again. Okay, and then pull it down. And here's your little string and your little connector. Right here goes inside the hole on the side there. Okay. And you take, there's two little tabs, one here and one here, and this is the filter cover. Just you can just pull back, push in, the other side will come out, and here's your filter. Pull it out, and look how filthy this is. It is very filthy. And you can get leaves and stuff in there, and yeah, when you're taking it out, they will fall down in a little basket that if you put your hand right there, the basket is just right below your hand. And if you hear a vibrating noise, it's probably a leaf in there, a leaf. But now don't turn that on, the key on, make sure your key is out, and before you go putting your hand down in there. That's only if absolutely necessary. You hear a vibration. It's just probably a leaf. Alright, and I'm going to show everybody which way the airflow does go. It does go down. See how it's pulling the paper down in there? See, it's pulling the paper down. That's the way you want to do your... Okay. Here's the arrows. That's the way you want to do your arrows. These are pointed down. You just take your filter and you slide it back in. Your brand new filter. Take your cover. Here's the two little tabs you gotta undo. Put your little cover back on. It's all good. And grab this, your little wire, and pull it down. Pull this back up. See the little thing there? I am going to put it back in that hole, and then just, it should slide right back in the slot so it won't come back out. Then do both sides if you're strong enough. I mean, I just do one at a time. It makes it so much easier. But then you're done, and you have a clean filter, and it's in the correct way. And so I'm going to turn mine on to see if I hear a buzzing, vibration noise. I might a tiny bit. So I will check that later to see if a leaf went down in the little fan basket. Just make sure you got your keys out of the ignition if you have to check for any leaves. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. And yeah, I would recommend to like change that like every 6 months if you are in your van a lot, because we're in our van a lot and you see how dirty ours is. And yeah, I would recommend that every like 6 months.